Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to create a folder in your macOS. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Actually, there are three options to create a new folder. Let's talk about the first one. Open your Finder. Choose the location where you want to create a folder. For example, I want to create a folder in this tutorial experiment folder. Now, let me show you the first method. Click the File option on the top left corner and choose New Folder. Now a new folder will be created. Give it a name. Alright, now let's talk about the second method. If you use two fingers on your trackpad or right click on your mouse, then a window will appear. You have to choose this New Folder option and give it a name again. So this was the second method. Now let's talk about the third method. And this is the keyboard shortcut. Just hold the Command and Shift button together and press N. And now give it a name again. And that's it. These are three ways to create a new folder on macOS. I think this video will help you a lot. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.